In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use Monday.com step by step, whether you're a complete beginner or just looking to better organize your projects. Monday.com is a powerful work management platform that helps you plan, track, and manage tasks with your team all in one place. By the end of this video, you'll know how to create a workspace, build a board, and add groups, items, and columns to fully customize your workflow. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical software guides. Let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to monday.com, then log into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, take a look at the left sidebar. This is where you'll find your main navigation menu. Click on Workspaces to view your existing workspaces or create a new one. Workspaces are essentially folders that help you organize different departments, clients, or projects. If you want to create a new one, click on Create Workspace. Give your workspace a clear and descriptive name, something like Marketing Team, Client Projects, or Product Launch. After naming it, confirm your selection, and your new workspace will appear in the sidebar. Keeping your work organized into workspaces makes it much easier to scale as your projects grow. Now that you have a workspace, the next step is to create a board. Boards are where the actual work happens. In the left sidebar, click the plus Add button. From the drop-down menu, choose New Board. You'll be asked to select the board type. You can choose Main if you want everyone in your account to access it, Private if it's only for you or selected members, or Shareable if you plan to collaborate with external guests. Next, enter a name for your board. Make it specific to your project, like Website Redesign or Sales Pipeline. Then choose whether you want to start from a template or from a blank board. Templates are great if you want a ready-made structure for things like project management, CRM, or content planning. If you prefer full control, select Blank Board. Click Create Board, and within seconds, your new board will be ready. Once your board is created, it's time to customize it by adding groups, items, and columns. At the top of your board, click Add Group. Groups help you break your board into sections. For example, you might create groups called To Do, In Progress, and Completed, or separate phases of a project, like Planning, Execution, and Review. Inside each group, click Add Item to create a new task. Each item represents a single task, project, or entry. Simply type the name of the task directly into the row. Next, let's add columns to define the type of information you want to track. On the far right of your column bar, click the plus icon to add a new column. You'll see a variety of column types, such as status, date, people, numbers, and text. For example, you can add a status column to track progress, a date column for deadlines, and a people column to assign tasks to team members. Select the column type you need, and it will instantly appear on your board. You can also drag and drop columns to reorder them, making your board layout match your workflow perfectly. And that's the basics of how to use Monday.com. You've learned how to create a workspace, build a board, and customize it with groups, items, and columns to manage your projects effectively. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.